I recently had my foundation fixed, which was not an expense anybody wants to have. But at the end of that, part of what the foundation repair company does is they do a plumbing inspection because they are changing your foundation level. And it's a very important endpoint to detect if there's any other issues. So the day after, they came out to my house and inspected the plumbing and found a problem with the main drain leading out of my house. They, of course, have plumbers on call that were available should I want to go through them. Instead, I called Abacus and chose to have them do the service that was required. They were able to respond same day. That was very important to me. I really appreciated that. Technician came out, confirmed what the first person saw, that there was a problem, it would require repair. They were able to fix and resolve the issue the same day. They weren't sure. They kept me informed every step of the way. After they dug down, they showed me where the problem was when it was visible, explained what they were going to do, and then at the end, before they backfilled the hole, they showed me the repair. There were photographs every step of the way. I used to shop around, try and get the best price, but what I found is for systems like AC and plumbing, you want people familiar with your systems that completely understand them, are able to respond quickly, and will be around if there's questions or problems after the fix. I am completely satisfied, and I recommend Abacus to anyone. Thank you.
Abacus Plumbing, Air Conditioning and Electrical. You can count on us.